Okay, welcome to my channel. I'm using a paid weather app. I'm sharing this so you don't need to buy because sharing is caring. Let's check the updated weather forecast in Boracay. So let's locate the Boracay Island. Here it is. Welcome to Boracay. So for the next 12 hours, okay, the rain accumulation is 25.5 mm. That's quite heavy. So expect a rain within the next 12 hours. Okay, and for the next 24 hours, the rain will be 147 mm. So we're coming from 25 to 148. That's a huge difference. That means by Saturday, the rain will be heavy. That's why take extra precaution. Flights might be cancelled or delayed. And on the next 3 days, wow, 315.2 mm. That's super heavy. It seems that you cannot do anything in Boracay except indoor activities. And let's check on the next 5 days. Okay, the difference between the next 3 days and the next 5 days is just roughly 50 mm. So that's basically 25 mm for the 2 days, for the last 2 days within the next 5 days. That's lesser. The rain will be lesser, but it's still strong. Okay, which means the days that will have strongest rain will be Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So guys, please take extra precaution. Okay, so that's it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so that you will be updated on my next video. Thanks guys.